Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Gcash transaction limit. So first up, what you need to do is to make sure your Gcash is opened on your mobile device and that you're logged in to your account. Now from here, once you've opened your Gcash, just go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right section of the screen and then select Profile Limits. Now in here, you should be able to see a complete breakdown of your profile limits from your wallet limit, daily outgoing limit, and your monthly incoming limit. So as you can see, my Gcash account is already on Gcash Plus. So this means that my account is fully verified. If you haven't yet, then the process is quite simple. You're just going to need to provide a few valid IDs and a selfie to verify your account. All right, so as you can see, you have the wallet limit set at around 500,000. So this means that this is the maximum that can be kept in your Gcash wallet. As for your or my outgoing limit, it says here that the maximum amount that can be moved out of the Gcash wallet per day is at 100,000. So this will reset daily. And then for the monthly incoming limit, which is the cumulative amount that can be received into a Gcash wallet per month, you can see that I have no limit for daily incoming transactions. So I believe this comes with getting fully verified. So just make sure that you verify your Gcash account if you wish to upgrade your limits. Now here, if you want to learn more about limits, there's a link that will help you understand the benefits. So here you can see the account features and the account type. So it's categorized accordingly if you're on the basic account or if you have a fully verified account. Then you should be able to see what benefits you get to enjoy with this feature. This is also for the account limits, so feel free to check this out to learn more about Gcash and their transaction limits. If there's anything you need to reach out to Gcash for, don't hesitate to get in touch with their help center so that you can report any issues or ask any inquiries. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.